can't believe we're doing this. Tom's gonna hurt me. The poor plasterer has been like, oh, we haven't done a curve in ages, really looking forward to this. It's 9 o'clock.
Yeah, my bedtime. Do you want to explain the situation, Tim?
Okay, so I'm just having my normal
evening gander. This is why social media is
He's double
bad.
checking the measurements. I'm having my. This is why you shouldn't scroll on a Sunday evening. I'm scrolling through my feed on Instagram and a reclamation place where we used to live just posted. I saw a pair of doors, and for the last year we've been picturing a big set of doors here, like church doors, cathedral doors, or something. But then we realised we kind of want glass doors.
And we looked like
everywhere. And
because we thought it'd be a real statement piece.
well, we found two big wood doors. I mean, they weren't even this wide, but they were over 10. It was a ridiculous price. So we've decided that we're going to have the arch, and then we will upgrade it with some crystal doors, steel glazed doors at some point.
And we'd bespokely make them so they would fit whatever
they
size.
would fit this.
Yeah.
But if we wanted the glass to be all, you know, they're quite expensive, whatever you do. Anyway, we've just literally found this set of doors online, and they're stunning. They're literally like everything we were looking for. I don't know. I don't know if they're French. They look French.
That's what he says that they're French.
Oh, okay. No, they're French doors. But I don't know if they're French doors. They are. Maybe they are legitimate French. Anyway, I'll show them. I could just put it on the screen.
Which is actually quite... That in itself is impressive, that we both fell in love with them. But they have a beautiful arch.
Look at these. They are legit.
And even the arches into the doors too, which I love.
It's hard to say, like, they might look out of place, but they might just also look like a really cool, amazing feature.
But what happens tomorrow at 7 o'clock in the morning?
So the plaster is arriving at 7 a.m. and they're expecting to plaster the whole ceiling in here.
Which is what we've been working hard to get to finish.
And this curved wall. Now the problem we've got is we built an arch here. We need some more light. Hold on.
And the music off. Not only did we just build an arch here, I mean, I say we, I mean Tom and Tim. It's okay. It took them ages to build this curved wall. A labour. Yes, I was there, stood. That's exactly the pose I was doing.
So the problem we've got is we've built this arch. This is 2.2 metres wide, because the limit on how big one leaf is basically a metre for a pair of crystal doors, and it's 3.15 high. But the problem we got is they're 2.8 metres wide. This is 2.2, which means we need to lose the bar, the cupboard there. We also need to lose the whole curved wall, and we can only just about make it work. This is
high-end marks here on the wall, if you can see.
This is where the square wall will come out, and this is where our last kitchen unit is. And then there would be about 100mm nib, and then the arch, but obviously 2 metres that way. And from the other side it actually works a bit better. It makes it quite central. But it's 9 o'clock at night now, and the plasterer's coming. They're expecting to skim the ceiling. And
so we just need to take off that bit, really.
Well, they can't reach over. It's one of those things that took 3 days to build, but it would probably take me 3 hours to take out.
You said a half an hour earlier.
There's probably 2 or 3 concrete screws drilled into the floor, but they'd be fairly easy to plug and plant pot sat on top of it. They might be okay. Meanwhile, Lady Dressing Gown sits here, not being particularly helpful,
I'm on board, but I'm also conscious that I'm not the one doing it. Or I didn't build the
You
curved
blooming well
wall.
will be in a minute.
I did really want the curved wall.
You did.
But
yeah.
I do have those doors.
I mean, it's a shame because we're not just making work for ourselves. We're also losing the curve, aren't we?
Yeah.
And I wasn't a fan, but I kind of am now. But we can't. We've got other curves. Maybe we can't have it both ways. Like we'd never find a set of doors like that again.
No,
will we?
and
That's,
the curve, the
Yeah.
two curves.
yeah.
So, you know, I think that, like, what's life without a few changes?
Well, you just put it on Patreon, and 99% of Patreon are like, just do it. You've got to do it.
They won't find doors like that.
But they're not the ones here
They know
right now
us.
on a Sunday night, are they?
They know us.
The poor plasterer has been like, oh, we haven't done a curve in ages, really looking forward to this. I'm going to turn up in the morning and be like, what?
Or just plaster that curve quickly and say, can you start now?
Well, there's other, yeah, I'm not doing this for the plasterer's sake. Okay, I think I'm going to do it. Oh, I literally scared. Tom's going to go mental. It took us days to do that. I've got so much other stuff to do. I'm just trying to second guess what the comments are going to say. They're going to say, what are you doing? You should have left it.
Doesn't matter about the comments, it's our house.
I know.
Yeah?
Tom's going to hurt me. I'm going through the waves of emotion right now.
Grief, anger.
Maybe they're not the right style. I mean, they're clearly not the right style. We're in a cowshed in Gloucestershire.
Oh, yeah.
They're from a French chateau.
Yeah. But we love France.
I like wine. I can't believe we're doing this. What are we thinking?
More importantly, once we don't like them, we actually see them in person.
They could be rotten.
Well, either does that.
I don't want to do it. Right, it is now 11:15. I've finished the farm jobs, but the plasterers are going to be here in 7 hours, or 8 hours. I've still got to take this whole wall down. So pretty much all the plasterboard off it, nearly. And then we're going to have to start taking the studs out. Luckily, we've carried the plasterboard through first. You might be able to make out there, so the full sheets, most of it, goes all the way through. What I'm thinking, therefore, is that they'll be able to skim the ceiling, but we might leave the existing arch in just until 9 AM when Carl at the reclamation yard can just just confirm all the sizes. Because worst comes to worst, we could still, all we're doing is deleting the curve. So if for any reason the door ends up being more than 2.8 meters wide, and that would just be a right pain for access getting it in, it just means that we'll have exactly the same arch, but we'll actually have an even bit of wall either side, which might look better, and therefore we wouldn't have the curve, but we would just have a straight stud wall in the corner, which is fine. So that's what I need to get to today. Let's do it. It was a piece of art, this thing. Piece of art. Quite heavy. Slightly doubting my decisions now. This is definitely messing with my mind. What am I doing? I think there was 3 weeks work in all this. Right, 12:30. I've broken the back of it now. All we need to get done, really, is just get that ceiling patched. Stud wall bit I can do tomorrow. And the actual mapping out, once we actually know we're doing these doors. Right, let's have a sweep up. Screws everywhere. Noggins and screws. Now, I'm not sure if I ever mentioned what this room was actually going to be. It was just going to be a little bar, like a store, a drink store. But really, I mean, I don't have much time to drink anyway, so I don't think we've lost a great deal, and it's not like we can't have a little drinks cabinet somewhere else in the house. So it's not a deal breaker, but it was kind of funky. The main issue is it took so long to get our head around. But anyway, 1, 2 screws. No glue, but there's certainly some holes. It'll be alright. There's worse things on this floor. Alright, sweep down, get the scaffolding up, get that drywall fitted to the ceiling, work out what this cable is. I think it must be for a socket. It's coming through the ceiling in the wrong place, so see if we can poke that up, move it along. We'll bring it down on the new stud wall, then we'll have a quick tidy up, then we'll measure the 2.8, see where it really does end up. Patch that wall, tidy up, floor protection down, go to bed. If all goes pear-shaped and the doors don't work and we decide against it in the next 12 hours, then we've still got the arch how we designed it, and we've actually ended up with probably a better look. Just lost our curvy wall. At the end of the day, that's not a small arch, and it still works. It kind of works even better now that there's pretty much even wall either side. If this was just boarded up, there's a sneaky stud in there, which I'll go the other side and show you. That is the actual width of the glass doors if we went for them. And hopefully, if we do go for the doors, they'll actually fit in, because it is going to be tight getting them in. It might need a whole host of people to come and help getting them in, because the last thing we want to do is start breaking antique glass and having a whole project on our hands. But anyway, I'm waffling, and now I've only got 3 minutes to get to sleep. See you. Thanks for watching. Remember, if you can, do it yourself. See you next time.